Shot him in the right knee.
You may have her upside down. Oh, good one, Mom.
Pretty good.
Look at that.
My gun is smoking.
Yeah. That's a good thing.
Okay, that's enough.
Nope, you're still loaded. You're still loaded. Keep firing.
What?
Keep firing, you're still loaded.
Let Gordon finish them out, because I didn't get any video of him. The camera wouldn't work. Tilt your nose up a little, Mom. There you go.
That's enough.
Okay, let's quickly see what she did. Shots in the center of the target are the first shots before she got tired.